So it should not be a secret anymore that Realme is going to launch its first tablet, and the company itself has talked about the launch of its tablet in the past couple of events. Now, while Realme has not yet revealed when the Realme Pad is launching, some sources have said that the launch is taking place on the 9th of September. Now, Realme India is still silent on the launch date, so we are expecting the Realme Pad to launch in China first and then later in the Indian market. Anyways, whatever the case is, we got to know something very interesting today, and that is the chipset which will be powering this tablet. In short, the Realme Pad is going to be a budget tablet from the brand and not a high-end tablet like the recently launched Mi Pad 5. Now this was kind of expected because this is Realme's first attempt in the tablet market. Speaking of the chipset, Sahil Karoul, a tech YouTuber, has revealed that Realme Pad has the MediaTek Helio G80. Now that is a chipset we see in smartphones priced around Rs 10,000 in India, which means the tablet is also going to be pretty affordable. There were also rumors of Snapdragon 778G, but it looks like all those rumors were false. Realme Pad is also coming with a 10.4-inch display, and instead of going for an IPS LCD, Realme went for an OLED, so that's nice. Now this is still a 60Hz OLED and not 90Hz or 120Hz, but that would be just too much to expect from a budget tablet. In terms of the cameras, you get two 8-megapixel cameras on this tablet, one on the back and one for selfies on the front. There are 4 speakers and the tablet is just 6.8mm thick. Finally, we know that the Realme Pad has a 7100 mAh battery. In terms of the design, Realme Pad has a unibody aluminum finish, and while there is a port on the bottom that looks like a headphone jack, it is most probably a slot to keep the stylus that would come with this tablet. So yeah, that is all we know about the Realme Pad so far. The launch is still almost 2 weeks away, so there are chances that we will get to know more about this tablet in the coming days. What do you think of the Helio G80 chipset for the Realme Pad? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.